Everyone's hyped about eagles versus giants, but there's a soldier who fights real giants and he walks on 4 legs. Operation Blackout, coordinates, classified. 1K9 codename Ghost, trained for missions no human could survive. When the sirens went off, Ghost didn't flinch. Through smoke and chaos, he moved like a shadow. No leash, no backup, just instincts and orders. His handler went down, but Ghost didn't retreat. He held the line, protected the wounded. One mission, one code, leave no one behind. Comment legend if you believe heroes never die, and subscribe to keep their stories alive.